Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Good morning, and welcome back to my channel. Today with Ayu Putri Octavia, with the student number 24220001, will explain about the answer for TOEFL structure question, and from number 1 until number 20. And I will also explain about the grammar topic used in each question and why the other options are incorrect. So this is the question. The question is not 20 actually, it's more than 20. So the question until the 14, but I will will give you two parts because when I explain until 40 it will not the video will long and you guys will be so dizzy and bored. Okay, so for the question number 1 is discuss about the sentence with multiple clauses, especially the use of the relative adverb word. So the sentence is or the question is, Portland, Maine is blank. The poet Henry Wadsworth Longfellow spent his early years. Now, so what is the correct answer? Yeah, the correct answer is word. Why? Because Portland is a place. It's adverb, right? And in English, when we describe a place, we use where. Not it were, not where is, and not which is where. So the complete sentence becomes Portland, Maine is where the poet Henry Wadsworth Longfellow spent his early years. And the other choices are incorrect because they create double subject or incorrect sentence structure. So, continue toward the number 2. For the question number 2, test is problem with verbs, especially with verb patterns. So, can you guys guess the correct answer is? Yeah, the correct answer is to develop. The verb begin is usually followed by to plus verb or verb in. Therefore, the sentence becomes I will read from here. Businesses are beginning to develop new methods of reaching customers. The other options are incorrect because they use nouns or incorrect verb forms. Okay, continue number 3. The knee is blank. Most other joints in the body because it cannot twist without injury. So, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is more likely to be damaged than. Why? Because in question number 3 is about comparative adjective. So, the TOEFL pattern is more, like the pattern is more plus adjective plus than. So the sentence means the knee is more likely to be damaged than. than most other join. So for the other answers do not follow the correct comparative structure. Okay, question number 4. The question is, the quincy is attractive shrub or small tree, blank, closely related to the apple and pear trees. So what is the answer is? The answer is that is. Why? Because this question discusses about multiple clauses. Before in question number 1 is talk about the adverb, but in question number 4 is talk about adjective clauses. So the pairs that is closely related explain the noun tree, the tree here. And without that is, the sentence becomes grammatically incorrect or wrong. Okay, question number 5. For the question number 5, many gases, including the nitrogen and oxygen in air, may color or alter. So, what is the answer? The answer is have no. Why? Because this question is talking about sentence with one clauses. So the subject is many gases, so it must be followed directly by the main verb have. And why the other answer either correct like incorrect? Because it makes create to subject or do not provide the main verb. Okay, for the 6th question. Answer is which was founded in. Why? The answer is C, because the question is about relative clauses. So the pairs between commas only gives additional information about the American Academy of Poets. Because it is additional information, we use which. Okay, go to question number 7. The answer is C, because this question is talk about inverted subject and verb, especially the existential pattern. So the pattern is there plus be plus noun. So the sentence becomes there were portions of the earth where plant and animal life flourished. And the other answer is incorrect because there had no verb or used incorrect word order. Okay, question number 8. This question test is about the word order. So the answer is E. Why? Because the verb make follows these patterns. Is make plus object plus complement. For example, like make me happy. To the other object incorrectly, add another verb. And number 9. For the number 9, the answer is B. Why? Because this question is about the comparative correlative. So for the comparative correlative is like the pattern is like the plus comparative and the complement, comma, the plus comparative, the complement. So the sentence becomes, the greater is their relative speed of separation. So the question number 10, the answer is C. Because this question is about the word form, especially noun pairs. After the comma in here, the sentence only needs a noun pairs, not another word. Therefore, the source of is the correct choice. Okay, question number 11 is B. The answer is B because this question is talk about sentence with one clauses again. So after the introductory pairs, the sentence is a subject and a main verb. So elder wealthy people is the subject and the people is the verb. Okay, number 12. The answer is B, comparate. Why? Because this question is discussed about radius clauses. So the complete form is compared with the amount it could hold at that temperature. Because the clauses is reduced, it becomes simply compare with. And for the question number 13, the answer is D. Because this question is about multiple clauses. So the expression what is now means yang sekarang menjadi. And question number 14, the answer is D. Because this is talk about conditional clauses. So the sentence means the fibers must be spun into thread if they are to be woven into textile fabric. This structure expresses a condition. And number 15, the answer is B, one of the. So the TOEFL pattern is one of the plus superlative and plural noun. For example, is like one of the best students with S because it's plural noun. So the sentence becomes Margaret Brand became one of the largest landholders. Like we discussed about the Margaret Brand. Okay, number 16. We already a different question, still multiple choice, but not like this. But this is we search about the incorrect question. Not incorrect question. The incorrect vocab or pattern. So number 16, the incorrect word. Sorry. Okay, for number 16, the incorrect word is B. Why? Because important begins with a vowel sound. We must use an. So the correct pair is an important exhibition. And question number 17. The question is discuss about the relative pronouns. So the incorrect word is who. Why? Because the antecedent is place. We should use which or that, not who. Jadi kayak who itu is only used for people, not for the place. Number 18. The incorrect question is years of old. Kenapa? Karena harusnya tuh nggak pakai oh, jadi langsung years old. Kayak misalnya kan kalian kalau nanyain umur, ada yang nanyain umur bule gitu. How old are you? I'm 18 years old. Nggak pakai of kan. Ya itu juga sama nih juga. And number 19. The incorrect question is gimana? Nah ini each other. Kenapa? Karena each another. Itu jawaban benarnya ya. Each other. Karena in the English only allows each other or one another. So the correct answer is the to each other, not another. Dan nomor 20, the incorrect questionnya itu adalah not in war and tough through diplomacy. Jadi yang benernya itu not complement kata-kata penambah but complement, bukan not complement and but complement gitu. So it becomes not in war but ini salah ya. Harusnya but through diplomacy. Number 21. Aku langsung aja ya ke jawabannya ya. The incorrect question is 2. Here. The incorrect. Because the correct preposition is at. Karena kan di sininya menjelaskan si Philadelphia Museum of Art. Ya, jadi terus they say the sentence says juga that the collection can be found at the Philadelphia Museum of Art. Kita menggunakan itu untuk menunjukkan spesifik lokasinya. So the correct sentence is one of the most impressive collection of 19th century era paintings in the United States can be found at the Philadelphia Museum of Art. Oke, selanjutnya number 22. The incorrect question is physics. Kenapa itu salah? Karena the subject is 3 of every 4 migrating water birds, which is plural. So the verb must also be plural. So the correct answer is visit without S. Always remember that a plural subject means a plural verb. Okay, question number 23. The incorrect question is who. because the sentence shows possession because it refers to Carliston, not Carliston, Carles Clendenin son, actually. So we should use whose, not who. So the correct question is Charles Clendenin, whose son George acquired land at the junction of Tile Elk and Kanawha rivers in 1787. So you guys have to remember that who is for people, whose shows possession. Okay, question number 24. The incorrect question is locating. Nah, kenapa? Karena the subject receive the action, so we need the passive form. Karena si subjeknya itu menunjukkan aksi atau aktif, jadi kita harus menggunakan atau membutuhkan bentuk passive. So the correct pairs is now located. Dan kalau kalian masih bingung, the pattern is be plus past participle atau verb 2 atau verb 3 juga. So the sentence becomes where it is now located. Okay, question number 25. The incorrect question is degrees. Karena the correct expression is 90 degrees Celsius. We never say 90 of degrees. The word is unnecessary. Karena kalau misalnya kalian pernah ngobrol-ngobrol sama bule gitu, mereka tuh nggak pernah bilang 19 of degrees Celsius, 90 of 25 of degrees. Mereka tuh langsung aja ke degrees, nggak pakai of. Okay, untuk question number 26. The incorrect question is are alignment. Karena after the verb are, habis verb are itu, kita tuh butuhin adjective. We need an adjective. So the correct is alignment. Alignment. Maaf ya tulisan saya jelek, saya belum terbiasa. Alignment, bukan alignment. So the sentence becomes the sun, the moon, and earth are aligned and the moon crosses. And question number 27, the incorrect answer is it's. Karena subjeknya itu kan is paintings. Nih painting. America's and paintings. Dan itu tuh plural, guys. So the pronoun must also be plural. Pronounnya juga harus plural. Jadi kita ganti there, bukan it's. Okay, question number 28. The incorrect question is drive. Nah, kenapa? Karena after reduction, it becomes energy derived from sunlight. Nggak pakai is. Tapi kalau misalnya complete causesnya itu energy that is derived from sunlight. Karena ini di reduce, jadi energy derived from sunlight. Jadi nggak pakai is lagi. Karena kan udah ada di sininya, is-isnya tuh. Oke, question number 29. Itu incorrectnya itu adalah E. Lagi-lagi E. Oke, karena the noun emotions itu plural. Jadi, kita nggak bisa gunain E untuk si noun ini. Nah, correctnya itu, yang benar itu powerful emotion, nggak usah pakai E lagi. Jadi E itu hanya digunakan ketika singular countable nouns. Jadi kayak si bendanya itu bisa dihitung. Kalau nggak bisa dihitung, ya nggak bisa. Ya pakai itu jenisnya plural ke singular. Okay, number 13. The incorrect question is politics. Kenapa? Karena the sentence lists three adjectives. Is social, economic, and political. Since social and economic are adjective, karena si sosial dan economic itu bersifat adjective, the last word must be also be an adjective. Nggak bisa kayak tiba-tiba adverb, tiba-tiba noun tuh nggak bisa, harus sesuai. Jadi politiknya itu diganti menjadi political, adjective. Okay, question number 31. The answer is, and the incorrect answer is capability. Kenapa? Karena after the noun animals, we need adjective. Jadi the correct wordnya itu capable, bukan capability. So the sentence become marine animal capable of secreting calcium to form cells. Okay, question number 32. The incorrect is cutting. Cutting, bukan cutting kelas ya, bukan cutting kampus ya. Cutting. Karena the sentence-nya ini tuh explains rainbows are cut off by the horizon. Jadi, kita tuh menggunakan passive form. Jadinya, are not cut off, bukan cutting. Karena passive pattern itu be plus past participle. Okay, number 33. The incorrect question is hot. Karena the sentence needs a noun as the subject. Jadi, the correct word is heat, not hot. Okay, number 34. The incorrect answer is here. Kenapa? Karena ini tuh termasuk si ininya nih. Nah, ini yang sign, taste, touch, or smell itu tuh masuknya ke list nouns. Jadi, kita harus samain juga sama mereka-mereka ini. Jadi, kita ganti ini menjadi hearing, bukan hear. Okay, number 35. The incorrect question is as many as. Many as. Jadi, kenapa? Karena the noun income is uncountable. Jadi nggak bisa dihitung ya. Nah, in for uncountable nouns, we use as much as. Bukan as many as. Jadi ini diganti much ya. Okay, number 36. Kita lagi nih guys. The incorrect is by. By. Kenapa? Karena the adjective associated is always followed by with by with, not by. So the correct is sleep is controlled by the brain and is associated with characteristic breathing rhythms, not by. Okay, number 37. The incorrect is for military. Kenapa? Karena in English, dalam bahasa Inggris, adjective come before nouns. Jadi si pairs yang benar itu military Ford, karena Ford military. Oke, number 38. Yang salahnya itu ini automobile. Karena si sentence itu refers to automobiles in general. Jadi kita menggunakan plural form. Itu automobiles. Pakai S ya, bukan nggak pakai S. Kalau nggak pakai S itu singular. Oke, number 39. The incorrect word is intense. Karena the sentence requires the noun because it is parallel with diction, narrative, and stress. So the correct answer is intensity, bukan intense. Okay, question number 40. The last question, guys. The incorrect is have evaluated. Karena the wives of the president received the action. Karena ini tuh menunjukkan aksi ya. Jadi kita membutuhkan passive form. Jadi have been evaluated. Bukan have evaluated aja, tapi have been evaluated. Oke, ini pertanyaan terakhir dan sudah selesai. Gimana kayak masih bingung apa gimana? Tapi kalau kalian masih bingung bisa nanya di kolom chat ya. Jadi terima kasih sudah menonton dan semoga ini bisa membantu untuk menjawab soal-soal TOEFL ya. Oke, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.